Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an exciting spot trade I'm opening right now, BB. I see a very good price structure with a potential huge leg up incoming. The technicals are aligning beautifully for a spot breakout hype alert. We're seeing a powerful weekly breakout and retest, indicating that the long-term trend is turning bullish. There is also a strong ascending accumulation pattern on the daily chart, showing that buyers are soaking up supply, and the overall daily trend is now bullish. As long as we hold above the weekly support at $0.1650, bulls should start to push higher. For those who don't know, BB is the token for BounceBit, which is the first ever native BTC restaking chain, combining both DeFi and CeFi yield mechanisms, making it a fundamentally interesting project. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our new VIP group, just click the bot link in the description below. Peace out.